Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect avocado toast. Let's get started. First, you're going to toast your favorite sourdough bread until it is nice and golden and crispy. This loaf I baked up yesterday, so it's going to be perfect for this the avocado toast. Next, you're going to scoop out your ripe avocado into a bowl and mash it up with a fork until it's nice and creamy. So just cut this in half. Just so I don't hurt myself, I always use a spoon to get out the pit of my avocado, because I've been known to cut myself. Give this a good mash with the back of our fork until it's nice and creamy. Okay, and now we will add a pinch of black pepper, and a little pinch of salt to our avocado. And then we're going to assemble our toast. So now we're going to spread our avocado mixture generously on top of our toast. And then we're going to top it off with a few slices of ham that I went ahead and fried up. And then a fried egg, kind of making this like a whole meal. And then we're going to top it off with a couple cherry tomatoes that I'm going to slice in half real quick. And then for a little pop of color, I'm going to add some of our pickled onions that Eric and I love to make, and a little red pepper flake on the top. I really love the combination of the pickled onions with the eggs. It's delicious. And there you have it, the perfect avocado toast. Alright, and there you have it, the perfect avocado toast. Give this a try and let me know what you think. So good.